Welcome to Day 3 of the World of Sound 30-Day Challenge. Before we listen to our new sound, let's tune in. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath. What sounds do you hear? Are they loud or soft? High-pitched or low-pitched? Can you notice any more subtle sounds? Now let's take another deep breath. Time for something a bit different. Listen closely. This was a recording from the Mesoamerican Coral Reef Underwater Museum during a research trip. Stay tuned for Day 4 of the 30-Day Challenge from World of Sound.